Hey ladies, it's Jennifer. Hey, I wanted to come to you super quick and show you how to sign up a coach using ShareAcart, okay? So it's super easy. I challenged you this morning to start the 2B Mindset um, group with a buddy and bring that buddy on as a coach. The reason I'm super excited about this and thinking that it could really help so many people is that well, first of all, so many of us were in the coach only test group for 80-day obsession. So if you were in that group, you understand the benefits of being in the test group with the creator of the program, hearing directly from them, getting advice directly from them, getting to interact with them, ask your questions. Not only that, it's one thing to be part of our little community, our small community of 20 some people, and that's amazing. And I love every minute of it. But there's something really special about being part of like thousands of people on the very same program that you are, like all walking the same journey. You get so much from those groups, so much information, struggles, victories, everything is shared in those groups. And it's just a win-win situation for people coming into them. So I think with this program, especially if there's someone really, really struggling in life with, they need to get their health in check. They hate exercise, but they're just depressed about themselves, about their body, and they want to find a way back to healthy, but they just can't do the exercise. If they're injured and they love being healthy, but they just can't work out right now because they're injured. If they suffer from emotional eating, binge eating, any other kind of food issues, this is just a really great place where we can help so many people. So many people. If there are people who are intimidated by like the Beachbody name, this is kind of totally separate from that in a sense. So this is a chance for us to just really reach people who need us. So I'm excited about this, and I've challenged you this morning to bring at least one person with you along this journey that you're going to start as a coach, okay? They get a free coach sign up when they get their challenge pack. So that $40 fee to join as a coach is waived for them. We can do it right up front if you follow what I'm going to show you, okay? So first of all, you go to teambeachbody.com on your computer, okay? And then you're going to click on coach. And it may ask you to sign in. See how it says welcome Jennifer? If this didn't say welcome Jennifer, I have to go up here and log in. So you might have to do that. Go ahead and do that. Okay. And then here's your coach, all your coach options. So what we're talking about is called the Share a Cart. This is a pretty new tool. It just came out this year. It's been amazing in helping people get on track with their orders, because before we had to send them this link from an alternate site, and sometimes the link didn't work and the people would get frustrated and they would either end up not ordering, or their order would go to another coach, or they'd order off of Amazon or some other crazy thing. So this just streamlines everything. It makes it very easy for the customer, super easy for us as well. So you just click on Share a Cart, and then you're going to click on New Enrollment Order. And then you need an email address. I hope it lets me use this one because I already used this one as an example, so I hope it lets me. I'm using my daughter's email address. She's not 18, so I couldn't sign her up as a coach anyway. I'm just using her email as an example. So you have to have a valid email address in there. The first name is mandatory. Last name, you can leave it off if you want. I like to add it. It's a nice touch. You have to make sure you have permission to send this person this email, okay? Now, this is important. You're signing them up as a coach, not a customer, so that they can get into the coach only test group. Don't mess this up. Make sure you highlight coach instead of customer, okay? And then click continue. And then here is everything you could send them in their order. It's basically like you're in the store with a shopping cart and you're putting things in the shopping cart for them. And then all they would have to do is show up at the store and pay for the shopping cart. That's exactly what we're doing, but virtually. So 2B Mindset is under nutrition program. Click on that. Click on 2B Mindset. And then here's all the options. So if they're signing up as a coach, they can't just get the kit or it will charge them the extra $40, okay? So if they get the kit, it will charge them $40. If we're talking about waiving that fee for them, you want to get them on with this challenge pack. That's where they get to sign up for free, okay? Again, signing up as a coach, there's no minimum sales or whatever required. They can literally hop on as a coach. They can get access to Alana and her coach only test group. They'll automatically get an email from Beachbody if you do this correctly the way I'm showing you. Okay, and then they'll also enjoy a 25% discount on anything in the future. If they want to continue with their Shakeology, it's a 25% discount, makes it so much more affordable. If they want to get beach bars, performance line, apparel, anything else, um, during their stay as a coach, basically, then they would get that 25% discount, and they can cancel that coach account at any time. They don't have to keep it forever. All right, so you're going to choose, do you want to just send them the Shakeology challenge pack? Or did you chat with them and maybe they do want to try some exercising? Then you would talk to them about the Beachbody On Demand and Shakeology challenge pack, which makes it more expensive. I think it's $200 for that one. Don't quote me on that. Maybe you have to figure that out. But that's where they would want that. For me, for my people who I'm talking to about this program, they're people who have been scared off by the old programs. They're people who have emotional eating problems. They're people who don't like working out. Those are the people I've kept a list of all these years, and I'm going back and asking them, do they want to try this? And so I'm not even offering them the challenge pack unless they bring it up, really. The challenge pack with the Beachbody On Demand. Sorry about that. If they ask, do I get workouts with it, then I will talk to them about that. Okay, but if they don't, then I automatically talk to them about signing up as a coach to get into Alana's group. If they don't want all of that crazy stuff, some people are super resistant to Shakeology. They feel like they've been, they feel like they've heard about Shakeology. People are just trying to sell them Shakeology. For um, this particular program, I'm not pushing Shakeology on anybody. I am sending people just the kit. But again, if they want to hop on as a coach, they should get the challenge pack because it's the best deal for them. Okay? So the challenge pack, and it's 160 for the challenge pack, and you add it to the cart for them. Oh, it's going to ask what flavor. So I'm going to say I want 30 servings versus the 24. I would say, let's see, tropical vegan strawberry. That's my favorite. 30 servings in a resealable bag. Add to cart. Okay, so there we have it. We have this cart is created. You can see they have their challenge pack plus the business starter kit. That's what gives them the back office as a coach and the discount and all that. And then you send them their email. Okay, so this is super important. This is what I do. So that's going to send a link right to their email. But a lot of times, a lot of email servers will put our Beachbody emails in spam, or they'll block them altogether because they see it as junk mail. So what I do is I do copy shareable link, and I go right over to Facebook. Oops, not Fabletics. Oh, that's a different thing. Facebook, and I go to Messenger, maybe if my Facebook ever comes up. Facebook, Messenger, come on computer, work with me here. Oh, new message, and I send them, hold on, let me move this down so you can see what I'm talking about. I'm gonna send this. I'm gonna pretend Lily doesn't have. I'm gonna pretend like Ron is Lily. Um, I sent you the link to your order. Even easier. Here is a direct link you can use. And I paste that link in there, and then they have two links. They have one in their email, and they have one that they can just, as soon as they get this message from me, they can see it, click here, and it goes right to their order. All they have to do then is get into their order and complete the payment, and bing, bang, boom, it's all done. Their kit is on the way. They're signed up as a coach. They get a 25% discount on all future orders, and they will get the email to get into the Alana group all automatically. Okay, so it's that easy. I just wanted to show you guys that. If you have any questions, post them below and get your people signed up. You get a prize. I haven't figured it out yet, but we're going to do a prize. So everybody who brings someone in as a coach for this particular program is going to get a prize from yours truly. All right, you guys, you have a great and healthy day.